Hello and welcome to 2209 Gough Street. Today we're going to be touring a lovely one-bedroom apartment located in the back of the building, so it is very quiet, in prime Pacific Heights. Okay, so let's enter the building here. You have your call box over here to the left. Right as you walk in through the gates, you have your mailboxes to the right. You have a nice front courtyard here. To the left is the laundry room. You have a set of washers and a set of dryers. To the right here is the garage. Now this unit comes with one car side-by-side parking. Okay, so we're going to walk up to the second level here. We're going to be touring unit number 3. This unit has been completely renovated. Right as you walk in, you have your living room to the left, bedroom straight ahead, beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This is a sizable living room overlooking the back of the building. There is a small shared yard for the building. Here's a peek out the window here. Now into the kitchen, you have bar stool seating here with cabinets below for additional storage. Beautiful kitchen with range, dishwasher, stone counters, and refrigerator. There's also a microwave as well. This back door leads to the front, where you will find your parking and laundry. Okay, so here is the bathroom. You have a beautiful full bathroom. There's your toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, bathtub and shower combination, good size shower head, glass enclosure, and just outside the bathroom you have a nice big linen closet. Here's the bedroom, again faces the back of the building, very, very quiet. Nice big walk-in closet. You have a double shelf for additional storage. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.